Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can get these features on your iPhone. Yep, this is the battery percentage. So this battery percentage will help you to show the level of your battery power, so you can estimate when do you need to charge your phone. So here, if you want to get this information, you just need to open the setting first, and then you just need to scrolling down until you got the battery option, and then you just need to tap it, and there will be in the top side an option of the battery percentage. So if you want to get this, make sure that this feature is on. Whenever it's off, so there will be only like this, there's no battery percentage, so you cannot understand or know the level of your battery right now. But then if you activate this battery percentage, now you got the information about the level of your battery. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again into other tutorial.